Hola amigos! Welcome back to Spanish for Beginners, and today we will learn the sound of the letters se and the sound of vowels. Let's get started! In Spanish, we have 5 vowels: a, e, o, u. A, e, o, u. As we saw in the previous video, the letter se has 2 sounds. It has a sound of letter ka and the letter se. How it works? It have a different scenarios and I'm gonna explain it to you. When we use the letter se with a vowel a, then it sounds like ka. So for example, a word casa. Casa means house. When we use the letter se with a vowel o, it sounds like ko. For example, coco. Coco means coconut. When we use the letter se with a vowel u, it sounds like ku. So, for example, cuello. It means neck. When we use the letter se with a vowel e, it sounds like se. For example, cebolla. Cebolla means onion. When we use the letter se with the vowel e, it sounds like C. For example, cinco. Cinco means 5.